Hey everyone, this is Yolanda from Forever Londa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we do all things planning, lifestyle, DIY, home decor, and sometimes we even get in the kitchen and do a little cooking. So today you're here with me as we do a plan with me for May, and I have my LV desk agenda here, and I'm using planning inserts from my shop. As I've stated before, I used to plan in a big heavy planner and I missed that space once I did go down to the half letter, and so I decided to create planning inserts just for me that was fold out. If you haven't seen it before, it kind of goes like this, and it allows you to track goals as well as to write your goals. So we're going to go ahead and get started with May. If this is something that you think you want to see, go ahead and stick around. So today we're going to do May, and as you all know, typically what I like to do is to kind of do something. I was wondering why that looked crazy. So it would help if I put Monday first, right? So I typically like to put something in the center to help reinforce it. And so yesterday when I was at Michael's, I saw these and I had a coupon, and so I love when I can find things that I like that I don't have, plus I have a coupon. So I'm going for this this is the one that I really love, this one right here. Before, when I started my whole planning journey, I didn't use washi at all, and then one day I needed to do something and I was like, oh, I have this washi, let me see if that'll work, and it did. And so since then I've been kind of hooked on washi. So I love this gold, silver, pink. It was really kind of appealing to me. So yeah, I think that I'm going to use this. I have this washi here that says every day is a fresh start. I like that. I have some little tiny washi. I'll probably pull a little bit of that gold out. I'm not sure. Maybe this black here. As you all know, I love colorful boxes, so I have that out. I have my Dream Seeker that I'm going to be using today, and I'm also going to be using my Botanicas, and I have my quotes book, and I do also have stickers from, I think this is Capital Chick Designs, that I'm going to be using as well, kind of like these as well. So yeah, I may talk a little bit and I may not, so we'll see how this goes. I may just design and then do a voiceover. That way I can concentrate on what I'm doing. And so here we go, everyone. So now we are here and we're going to get to decorating. So I'm using the washi and I'm starting from the back, and as I said before, I like to use the washi to kind of reinforce the paper. Even though I'm using 32-pound paper, I do like to have some extra added strength. That way when I remove and add back to my planner, it doesn't cause any friction. So I'm using some flower stickers from the Dream Seeker sticker book. I'm not doing a whole lot because this washi is really speaking to me, and the washi is just saying keep it simple, Yolanda. So that's what I'm going to do, is just really keep it simple and just play on the colors in the washi. So I'm now adding in a couple of additional touches of where the washi sticks out, and using one of the smaller, it's like a darker marble. It's like a play where one is wide and gold, this one is darker. So I'm using the washi where it says every day is a fresh start, and I really love this sentiment, and this is something that I try to remember every day, is that every day that I wake up, I'm given a fresh start. I'm given a way to make anything that I've done wrong before right. I'm given a way to smile, to make others smile. I'm given a way to shine. And so this is something that I need to remember, is that every day is a way for me to start again. And so now I'm adding in just my little figure. This is from the Capital Chic group. I'll link them also in the description box. So I'm going in now and I'm adding the colorful boxes. As I've stated before, I am so in love with this sticker book. And if you're a planner, especially if you're a functional planner, but you do like to use color in your planning, this is the sticker book for you. Make sure to turn on the notification bell. We have a video coming up where it talks about using color for decor and function in your planning. So I'm going in and I'm adding some additional highlights and decor to the boxes, just to kind of have them pop just a little bit. And now going in and putting in my activities that I do on a monthly basis. These are reoccurring activities, so I pretty much know that they are standard. However, I do want to highlight them and just call attention to them. I'm laying some washi down, and so that the boxes aren't as plain, I'm going to lay down a little washi and then put the colorful box on it. And you see me going in here and just kind of, I don't know if you've ever seen old photos and they have like they're on the wall and they're stuck with like maybe like a little piece of tape. So that's kind of how I'm using the thinner washi here. It's just to mimic that little piece of tape that you would typically see holding up an old picture in a photograph book. So this is me just kind of tearing it up, and just the one thing I've done and tried to learn with my designs is, as I go, is just really to take a step back and see if I like it, add more, not add, and really edit myself in the process. Sometimes there have been some designs where I do not edit, and so I'm learning how to edit and definitely leave me with white space. The one thing about the white space is that I'll always be able to go back and add additional items to my planner as I see. So now here we are, and I think I'm all done. This is me looking, seeing, checking. Do I need to add more? Do I have anything coming up? And there it is. Mama said there will be days like this. Thursdays tend to be my hardest days. How about you? Now the other side. So we're back, and you guys just saw me I did voiceover for this spread. I really kind of like the way it came out. I kept everything very, very minimal this month. So when you open it up in the book, if you guys stick around, we're going to plot out May based on what we decided to do for that we want to continue to move forward as far as our goals are concerned. And when you open it up, you have this. And so I just kind of went on ahead and finished filling it in. My affirmation for the month, it says I am magic. And so this is something I'm going to affirm myself daily. So let's see, you can kind of see, I'm gonna go ahead. This is my LV agenda cover. Just pop it in. So you guys can kind of see what it looks like in the book. I really, really like it. So hopefully you like this. You can catch these sheets They're on sale now on the website, www.teamombook.com. You can find the description down in the box below. But thank you so much for joining, playing with me for May. Come check us out as we do some mind mapping for our goals for the month of May. This is Yolanda over here for Thank you guys for sticking with me. This is Yolanda over here at Foreverlanda. Woohoo! This channel is about all things planning, lifestyle, DIY home decor, and sometimes we get in the kitchen and do a little cooking. Thank you all so much for joining. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Bye-bye now. See you later.